G'day everybody, I'm just doing a bit of grinding a high-speed tool, lathe tool. Purchased this from Waller's and Mackay, it's 12mm steel. Just doing a bit of a touch-up grind. I'm yet to put a radius on it yet. We'll see how we go. High-speed steel gets a bit hot. Okay. As I say, you have to put a radius on the front on that point. You don't have a sharp point. But I've got about, this is just a general purpose tool, 10 degrees all around. Top rake, side rake, and your nose rake here. And the other tool on the other end, it's want to ground this one close to 15 degrees. This one's ground a lot better. So we get more practice of using the old school way of using high-speed steel. No worries. Check with you later.